Hi, Becky. Thanks for meeting with me again. I'm glad you asked me to tell you a bit about the whole Anywhere Workspace messaging you've been seeing around social media and all over the web. Let me give you a quick recap of what this is exactly. So a lot of industries, especially your industry, the casino industry, was hit really hard last year. You guys had to scramble around to support most of your workforce that essentially went remote overnight. And with those obstacles came even greater challenges. Let's think about the load on your VPN network, for example. Your users have to access certain SaaS applications, which those SaaS apps were typically restricted to just the corporate networks. And by doing so, this causes a hairpinning of traffic that has to reach back around through the corporate data center and then back to the user, resulting in a suboptimal experience. So we thought about this, asking three simple questions. How do you create a method where these remote users had access to all the apps they need to do their job anywhere they were located? How do you secure that access, making sure all the policies are in place to protect your company's data? And finally, how do you make sure your end users have a quality experience that's the same at home as if they were in the building? This is where the Anywhere Workspace fits in. Anywhere Workspace is essentially combining three of our already successful products into one singular platform. Those products are Workspace ONE, VeloCloud, and Carbon Black. Workspace ONE, as you know, is a digital platform that manages and delivers any app on any device. And this works perfectly in this new bring your own device shift. The ease of the single sign-on method allows consistent access leveraging our passwordless authentication. And I'm pretty sure we can all agree that nobody wants to be bothered to remember billions of passwords anymore. Secondly, VeloCloud, which is a leader in SD-WAN, delivers this streamlined connectivity and application quality assurance. And what does that mean? It means you no longer need to hairpin through the corporate network to access your SaaS applications. VeloCloud will leverage your existing broadband connection and intelligently reach out to the closest SASE POP or point of presence to deliver the best performance. And since I just mentioned SASE, which is the Secure Access Service Edge, it's a good little segue into the last piece of the puzzle, which is Carbon Black. Now, Carbon Black is our cloud-native endpoint protection solution that enables you to secure your endpoints. Its advanced machine learning capabilities analyzes billions of system events and takes protective actions to stop any anomalies outside of the expected behavior pattern. And as part of the SASE concept, when connecting to a SASE POP, like I mentioned earlier, all the traffic that flows through that POP will be inspected for malware, just giving you that much more peace of mind. So in combination, we're still offering this platform that is consumer simple and enterprise secure for your end users. But on the flip side, we're also giving your internal IT teams the visibility to manage that employee experience, completely automate that workspace personalized for that employee's role, and finally, securing the edge using a zero trust model. We got to make sure your end users have a good experience during your team calls, despite pets or babies crying in the background. So Becky, I hope this paints a clearer picture of the Anywhere Workspace platform. Tell you what, let's get together within the next week and we'll bring both our teams to dig a little deeper and look under the hood. Sounds good? Great. Thank you. And hey, I appreciate your time. Take care.